Learn how to easily play content from your video hosting service. Hey everyone, I'm Paulo Cesar, a support specialist at JMV Technology. In today's video, we'll show you how to access and play videos hosted on your platform. Ready to get started? Video hosting is an essential service for any company or individual looking to store, share, and distribute video content efficiently and securely. It allows you to store your videos on dedicated servers, ensuring they are always accessible with high quality and performance. Now let's see how you can play your videos that are hosted on JMV Technology's video hosting platform. First, log into your account and navigate to your video hosting section. Select Galleries and then choose the destination folder for your video. Here you'll see all the videos you've hosted on the platform. Choose the video you want to play and click on it to open the playback options. Here you'll see a preview of your video player. On the right, you'll find the shareable link. Simply click this icon to copy it. You can copy this link and send it via email, message, or any other communication method you prefer. To play the video, just open the link in any browser on your computer, phone, or smart TV. The player's interface is user-friendly, allowing you to easily play, pause, adjust volume, and switch to full screen. If you prefer using a specific video player or need to integrate the video into an app, you can use the M3U8 link. To access it, just copy it from this field. This link can be used in compatible video players like VLC Player or embedded in apps that support M3U8 video streaming. To play in VLC, simply click on Media, then select the Open Network Stream option. Next, paste the link and hit play. Another way to showcase your videos is by embedding them directly on your website. To do this, just copy this link and insert it into your HTML code. To learn more about our video hosting solutions and other technologies that can help transform your business, head over to hosting.com. You can also scan the QR code on screen for more information. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you next time.